there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for all things tech, where we pit products against each other so you don't have to. Today, we've got a drone showdown that'll make you wish you had wings. On the left, we've got the Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC drone, or, as I like to call it, the Flying Beginner's Buddy. And on the right, we have the Holy Stone HS440 foldable FPV drone, aka the pocket-sized pilot. So, buckle up and let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk cameras. The HS110D sports a 1080p FOV 120 degrees HD FPV camera. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it is. You can capture those memorable moments with zero distortion. Perfect for the Instagram influencers out there who need that hashtag no filter shot. But wait, the HS440 isn't backing down. It's got a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 90 degrees tilt. It's like the drone equivalent of a selfie stick. Need a bird's eye view of your backyard barbecue? Done. Family reunion from above? Easy peasy. Reviewers have praised the HS110D for its wide-angle shots, while the HS440 gets thumbs up for its adjustable angles and versatility. So, who takes the cake here? If you like your angles adjustable, HS440 wins. If you're all about that wide-angle life, HS110D is your go-to. Next, let's talk airtime. The HS110D offers 20 minutes of flight with its 2 modular batteries. That's like 2 commercial breaks worth of flying. But the HS440 also boasts a 20-minute flight time. So what's the difference? Well, HS440 does it with just 1 battery. Less battery swapping, more flying. It's like the lazy person's dream. Users of the HS110D have noted its decent flight duration, while HS440 users appreciate the convenience of fewer battery changes. Winner? HS440 edges out here, folks. Now, portability. HS110D is pretty cool, but let's face it, it's not folding itself into your pocket anytime soon. Enter the HS440, the drone that folds like a lawn chair at a family picnic. Plus, it comes with a carrying case. So if you're the kind who likes to take your drone on hiking trips or just want to impress your friends with some aerial shots at the park, HS440 is your guy. Reviewers love the HS440 for its portability and ease of transport, while the HS110D is seen as more cumbersome. Portability crown goes to HS440. Ease of use. Both drones have altitude hold and headless mode, which is basically drone speak for, I got you, bro. But HS110D, with its mobile control app, lets you play drone DJ with voice commands and gestures. Imagine telling your drone to take a selfie by flashing a peace sign. How cool is that? On the other hand, HS440 has automatic takeoff and precise hovering. It's like the drone's got a PhD in stability. Plus, it has emergency stop for those, oh no, it's headed for the neighbor's pool moments. Reviewers have found the HS110D to be user-friendly with its app features, while HS440 is praised for its stability and emergency features. So if you want to feel like Tony Stark, go with HS110D. If you want a stress-free flight, HS440 is your wingman. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. The HS110D is especially praised for its durability, ease of use, and wide-angle camera, making it a solid choice for beginners. On the other hand, The HS440 is lauded for its portability, adjustable camera angles, and stable flight, making it a versatile option for those looking to take their drone on the go. Alright, smart shoppers, there you have it. The Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone and the Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone go head-to-head. Both are fantastic, but they cater to different needs. If you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the drone world, HS110D is your best buddy. But if you want something more portable and advanced, HS440 is your ticket to the sky. Whichever you choose, you're in for some high-flying fun. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buy smart.